Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Professor Ravindra Tripati. I will today teach you how to become a successful businessman. Many businessmen and entrepreneurs they fail because they don't adopt a result oriented strategic plan and follow their routine properly, for which they incur heavy loss, mismanage their business, and get less profit. Today I will give you very useful tips how you will start your business with a very organized way and plan. First tip, you have to follow a routine. You have to develop a routine. The routine should be well planned and divide your activities according to timeline so that you will use your time gainfully, weekly, daily, and monthly. So this routine will save your time. Time is money. If you utilize your time properly, you will get lot of money and you will earn business. Second tip is keep your morning reserve, because morning time is very beautiful, very useful for planning. Reserve your morning for gainful and task activity, for planning, for liaising schedule, for developing networking. You have to think. Spend 2 hours in the morning to plan effectively how you will develop your networking, how you will develop your liaising, how you will tap the resources, how you will develop marketing plan. All these things you have to plan in the morning. What you plan for tomorrow, you have to think it today. Your tomorrow activities should be planned today. Very wise manner. Liaising is a very tough job in business, in entrepreneurship. Liaising is major component. You have to develop your liaising plan, which will link you with most profitable business and most potential persons will face good income, good fortune for you. Divide your time for revenue generation activities. You have many revenue generation activities, but you have to divide your time. You have to plan in advance. You have to plan for your annual planning, how you will organize different revenue generation activities. There are many revenue generation activities concerning to your business. It may be marketing network, it may be organizing exhibition, it may be sale, it may be different strategic plan to organize your profit oriented activities properly. So you have to divide your time very. Monitoring your progress is very important. It is many businessmen they never monitor, because what is their sale, what is their profit, how much they have invested, how much return they have got. They do it in late, but you have to monitor your activities, monitor your progress every month. so that you can rectify your deficiencies and plan properly, and you will grow your business very smoothly. You have to divide your problem zones and solution zones. All business people, they have their own problems, many problems. The staff have problem, the owner has problem. So you have to categorize your problems and keep it in a zone. So correspondingly, you have to divide your solution zone. What type of solution is appropriate for each problem? So you train your staff, train yourself, your mind, how to shift from problem zone to focus on solution zone. Many millionaires, they have already focused on problem solution zones and they have achieved good result. So never dwell on problem zone. That is very important. Then segregate each day for different activities, for different businessmen. So it will be better for you to give time to plan for your business activities and give justice to business plan properly. Then you have to be inspired by the life history, autobiography of great business people like Ratan Tata. You will learn many things. You have to read the autobiography of Thomas Ford, so that I am giving examples so that you will get many tips and inspirations how to build your business properly and build your career properly. Keep learning every day. Try to divert at least 2 to 3 hours in the night or daytime when you are free to read books. This is very important. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you very much, the viewers, for listening to my tips, and I advise you all to apply these tips to your lifestyle and daily routine. So you will be a multi-millionaire businessman. Wish you all the best.